Hey guys, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got some car installs coming for you guys. I actually got two in this video, so guys, I know you read that title. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I couldn't today, so like I got, this is a different mechanic I got this work done by. They didn't let me record in the back of the shop, so I just recorded what I can, like me making the purchase. And just, I will leave a link in the description of the name of this shop. But yeah, like I said before, thanks for watching. I'm about to take the car, I'm about to go outside and give y'all a cold start, and yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this video. All right, y'all. It is a rainy day out here. The weather in Ohio, it's not the best. So yeah, gotta give y'all this remote start like I always do. Cold start. Inside the garage today. But yeah, gotta wash this baby up, and like I said before, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Yeah, this inside of the whip. I know I showed this all before, but I gotta make sure I show y'all this. This is a stock inside, but the blue interior lights. Also got the door lights too, but you can't see them because it's so bright out. But yeah, it's the inside of this boy. All right, y'all, I'm on the highway right now, just driving a little bit. It's kind of bumpy a little bit, but yeah, just want to give y'all a little bit of how the engine sounds. And that exhaust, man. All these modifications I done on this thing, I need y'all to at least hear it. But yeah, stay tuned, because I'm gonna try to get y'all to some burnouts. The weather not that good in Ohio, but it's probably not the best time to do it because the pavement, wet and everything. So I try not to bring the car out every day and do car stuff every day, because I'm trying to, not put that many miles on this thing and have a nice car. Like, even though it's a V6 and everything, you get a lot of backlash. Oh, it's a V6. But yeah, it's one of the top of the V6s, especially in Ohio. You don't really see no car like mine, so I haven't seen any ones like mine. Even in the RTs, you see the RTs, mine still look better than them RTs. Because all the work I done put into it. But I got a lot more stuff coming, so yeah, we definitely gonna tweak this boy out the best of my ability. I'm gonna try to get a GoPro so y'all can get the outside when I'm driving and stuff. So when I make my car videos and everything, y'all can see everything. But yeah, I ain't gonna talk all the stuff. I'm gonna wait till I pull up here. I'm gonna show y'all what the shop look like inside. Leave some links for that. And yeah, like I said before, thanks for watching, guys. Gotta see it at nighttime, so I'm gonna wait till nighttime. All right, guys, I made it home. I got the car from the shop and everything, so I wanted to show you guys what mod I got done. So let me flip this camera around. Yes, sir. You see this tint? tinted out the tail light. Some tail light tint on it. So yeah, that's not the only thing I got in store for this video, but that's the first thing I do. That shit looks sick as hell. So yeah, I'm about to just wait like 20 more minutes. It's about to get dark, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other install I did to this car. And yeah. All right, guys. I'm about to show y'all this other mod I did. I had to wait until it got dark for this. But, here it is right here. Got this. I got the ones in the front, and I got the ones in the back. I haven't even peeled the tape off of it yet. Oh yeah, he did do it. He did it for me actually. There it is. Okay, here go the back, y'all. Yes, sir. I think that's a real good addition with the blue lights inside the car. The blue lights interior inside the car. So it's all blued out. I think that's real sweet. Come see the front again. Let me show you the front. I don't know if I ever showed y'all the trunk, but yeah, I can do that too. So yeah, man. All right, guys. Yeah, like I was saying, I wish I could have got you guys the install at the shop and showed you guys how everything went. But obviously, I got the decals done by these people before on my hood, on the side of my car. I think I showed that before. We've been talking about that plenty of times. But yeah, I wanted to close this video and say thank you guys for watching my videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We're going up all 2020. I had to actually wait until it get dark to get this part done. So yeah, I'm gonna get this video out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be out of here. Stay tuned.